Hey guys, I'm Simon here at Z1 Off-Road, and today we're going to be installing our ditch light brackets on our D41 Frontier. So the first thing we're going to do is remove these nuts off of our hood hinges. They should stay in place, but you might want to have a friend with you to hold the hood once you get these nuts off. Now, I'm going to take our bracket with the tab facing the outside of the truck. I'm going to snake it up onto these studs and pull it flush against the back of the hood. These are M8 nuts. Should be a 12mm hex, and we'll go ahead and get those nice and snug. So we're going to go ahead and repeat that same exact process for the other side. Same thing here. We're going to put the bracket on these studs and pull it up flush against the back of the hood. So today we're going to be installing our Baja Squadron Pros on our ditch light brackets, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and install the brackets that came with the Baja Squadron Pros onto our brackets right here and set them in the position that we like. Okay, so we're going to repeat that exact same process for the other side. We're going to set the light about where we want it, and then we're going to snug everything up and lock in our position. So now we're going to go ahead and put the screws through the side of the light, mount it onto the bracket, and lock in our angle. So now we've got the angle for our light set about where we want it. I'm just going to set the position left to right, and we'll tighten everything up. All right, so we got that about where we want it. I'll go ahead and tighten everything up. So once you've got your position set about where you want it, just go ahead and tighten everything up.